Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach Aftermarket Update for the live trading alert call room. Today's Friday, August 25th. Killer day today trading. Markets were pretty straightforward. I'm going to go through everything from left to right. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 winning trades, and then we had 2 that were break evens for most people. Some people hung in there, but for the most part, we tried to get in on these down moves a little bit early. Didn't get in here on this one. We got in here, which wasn't too much further. And this one we ended up getting in down here. But I'm going to run through everything from left to right. First trade from left to right was in the gold market. We got long 1282.5, 1282.5, way down here, 1282.5. Okay, and that trade made up to the first target there was about 60 ticks. 60 ticks. And then most people, I told everybody, because we had the news coming up, I told everybody to go and trail. Normally we leave our last remaining contract at entry. For those who were still in, a lot of people, if there's 60 ticks, would be out of the trade. And you'll see it just kept going, but I'm going to say 60 max on that one, even though it went a lot further. And then we got in again on a power play that was at 9:51 Central Standard Time, 1296.1, and you'll see that trade went up about 30 plus ticks. That was a beauty there. On the NASDAQ, we had a this was a ZL, this was a power play. On the NASDAQ, we had a short understanding trade that was at 55 quarter on the 836 candle, 55 quarter, and that trade went down, and that trade made almost, made 10 points, about 40 ticks. We'll say 20 to 30 ticks on that one, since I'm sure not everybody got the last drop down there. A lot of people had gotten out after they bought it back up right in here, after their initial target there. 20 to 30 ticks on that trade. Then we tried to get short up top, and I was just trying to get into this a little bit early. We got in, we added, we were easily able to get out at break even. As you see, it came back down. And I was thinking about getting everybody back in, but I was hoping that we'd be able to get another entry, and we did not right in here. So that was a break even. Some people did say they held it, but per the normal rules we had a break even. I didn't say to get back in. So down here we did get in again on a power play at 10 o'clock. That was at 58.39, 58.39, and that trade went for up to, actually went further than 20 points, but 20 points to my circle there. The bottom of the target was hit twice, top was hit there, so up to 20 points, which was about 80 ticks. It actually went down, went down about 100 ticks, almost, but we're going to say up to 80 to the target. That was a beautiful, beautiful trade. That was a power play. And then on the ES, we had another power play. That was a short around 80, 24, 48.75, 24.48.75, and you'll see that trade went right down. I told everybody initially this was a good target here to peel something off if you have a runner after that trail, and then when it came back down again, we got out right here, anywhere in here. Some people got out here, some people got out here. So the trade went from 48.75, we'll call it, 7 points. Some people got 5, some people got 6 on their runners, but you had obviously half an hour here to get out of the trade anywhere in here and lock in profits, and that was a beautiful trade as well. And the same thing happened on this short here. Over here we got in, we added, and not everybody was in this trade because we were waiting for something specific to happen, but those who did add got out at break even. And again, some people decided to hold, but again, I'm not going to count that. I'm going to count both these as break evens, even though we were in from right here, as everybody could see, just because of the way I had to manage it. But we got back in on this one pretty quick, so it wasn't a big deal on that one. Here we still got in lower, but it actually went further. So Beautiful, beautiful trades. No losing trades in the room. If you took everything here, which I know everybody didn't because most people were only in either one of these trades, not both, max. But if you took every trade, it would have been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 killer winners and 2 break evens. Again, most people 1 break even. No losing trades. We're going to come back on Monday, do it all over again. I want everybody to enjoy the weekend, and we'll see you back on Monday. Bye, trade.